Google has just launched an AI tool that can create an entire movie from a single prompt. And the most shocking part? It can generate realistic videos with dialogue, sound effects, and lifelike characters, all powered by AI. In today's video, I'm going to give you a live demonstration and show you exactly what this tool can do. Until now, creating AI videos has been quite complicated. You had to use multiple tools for scripting, video generation, voiceovers, and sound effects. But Google Omni is trying to bring everything together in one place. So, to access Google Omni, simply head over to the Google Flow website. Once you're there, create a new project. After that, you'll see an interface that looks something like this. Now, simply click here at the bottom and select the video. Next, choose the video size according to your preference. For the video quantity, set it to 1. Then, go to the model section and select Omni Flash. Finally, choose the video duration based on your needs. Once you've done all that, simply enter your prompt here and click on Generate. And within just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Wow, I have to say, this video turned out really well based on the prompt. If you want even better results, make sure to provide a more detailed prompt. But Google Omni isn't just limited to generating videos from text prompts. You can also use it to completely change the style of any existing video. For example, if I want to convert this same video into a cartoon-style animation, I can simply drag and drop the video here, enter my prompt, and start the generation process. And in just a short time, the style of the entire video will be transformed. Honestly, I'm impressed with how cleanly and accurately Omni changed the video's style. And that's not all. You can even create your own AI talking avatar for YouTube videos. All you need to do is upload an image of your avatar, enter a prompt, and click Generate. And as you can see, the results are right in front of you.
Hi everyone, I'm an AI-generated character, and everything you're seeing right now has been created using Google's latest AI technology.
Wow, impressive. With Google Omni, you can even add sound effects to any of your videos with just a few clicks. And that's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and support the channel. Also, let me know in the comments, do you think Google Omni is the future of content creation, or is it just another AI hype? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.